Hey guys, welcome back to Tommy Turnbull and Flash Yang 82.87. Today we're going to do unboxing of phones. Got it from eBay. Says my name. Address got crossed out. S1 Paul Dominguez. And we're going to pause the video and open the box, and I'll be right back. Alright, here we have the Virgin Mobile. Get that back cover off, maybe. Here it is. This is a Virgin Mobile phone, maybe, by PCD. Here's the PCD. Model number is might be, model number is I think it's a chaser, maybe. Put the battery back in. Let's see, they got an SD card. This won't take off, just a decal sticker. Get that door cover off for a phone. I just don't like it at all. Let's see, SD card in there, maybe. Yep. I don't need that. And let's turn on the phone. This is my BZTE. Oh, PCD. It's not ZTE or Huawei. I don't know. And go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna let it load. Alright, thanks for watching. You have a blessed night. Okay. Happy Black Friday, and you have a good night. Bye-bye.